Trace the path of point on a circle of diameter 50 mm rolling along a straight line for 1 revolution. Take the start point as bottommost point. Let's see. This is the circle which is rolling along a straight line. For 1 revolution, the circle will follow the circumferential length. It will cover the distance of circumferential length. If we consider or if we trace the path for this bottommost point, it will follow something like this. The path is known as a cycloid. Now let's see how to draw the cycloid. First, draw the circle of given diameter. Here the diameter given as 50 mm. Let's calculate the circumferential length for this circle. Pi into 50 will give us 157. Hence draw the line of length 157 starting from this base. Now divide the circle into 8 parts. This bottommost point is going to follow this path on the circle when it is rolling over this circle. Hence, the point is going to cover all these 8 parts. Hence, the circumferential length should be divided into 8 parts. Numbering is very important. As the circle is revolving in a clockwise direction, the number should be given in a clockwise direction. Here also it is moving towards the right side, so number should also start from right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it is going to come back on 1. To divide the line into equal parts, we can use acute angle method. Now draw the horizontal line from all these points which are the locus of these points. Now shift all these centers to this locus of center point so that we can find the new centers for each locations. When point is at location 1, at that time the center is C1. When point will be at location 2, the center will be C2. When point will be at location 3, the center will be C3. When point will be on location 4, the center will be 4. Similarly, name all this center point. Now, when the point is at location 1, it will be here. But when it is going to be on the point number 2, center is here, hence the point will locate on this locus of point number or locus of 2. So take the distance of radius in your compass, but C2 as a center, mark the arc on the locus of 2 to find the location of the point. Here you can see that if we try to mark the arc, it is going to cut on this locus of 2 at 2 locations, this as well as this. As the 2 is on left side of this center C1, take the left side of the new center, that is this point. This is on the right side, so this should not be taken. So consider this point. To find a new location, again take the radius in a compass, but now the center as C3 and mark the arc on the locus of 3. Again the circle is going to cut on this side as well as this side. As the 3 point is on the left side, take this as a final point. Repeat the process for all the points. When the location is 6, center is C6. Now it is again cutting on the locus of 6 on this side as well as this side. But 6 is on the right side, hence we are supposed to consider this right side of the circle. Now join all these points and give the naming. For other points it is like this. This is for top. Here we can see the cycloid for bottommost point. Similarly, we can draw it for topmost point. and it will be like this. For rightmost point it will be like this, and for leftmost point it will be like this. Keep in mind, while marking the arc, see the number on the circle. If the number is on the right side of the center, then the arc taken should be of the right side. If it is on the left side, the arc taken should be of the left side.